everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another video content on how to buy a gift card with Venmo. If you'd like to make a purchase on gift cards with your Venmo account, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by clicking open a web browser. In the search box, type in buy gift cards with Venmo and make your search. In the search result, you can see that there is a link at the top which will take you to www.egifter.com. Click on that link and you'll be taken to this eGifter website from where you can buy gift cards with Venmo. Since this website supports and accepts Venmo for a gift card, you'll be able to buy gift cards from this website easily. Click on Buy with Venmo in the display at the middle of the screen and now select your card from the catalog displayed. Click on one of your choice and now click on this box where it says I understand the above and I'm ready to complete my order. Make sure to go through the information first and click continue. Now select the amount that you'd like to include in your gift card and then click on either buy for myself if you are buying it for yourself. If you want to send it to one of your friends, click on send to a friend. Now, if you want to make some edit to your card value, you can go ahead and add or decrease the amount that you've chosen for your card. Choose your card design from the left-hand side of the screen. Click on your preference and then go ahead and enter your name into the text box where it says enter your name. Now, since I am sending this to one of my friends, let me go ahead and type in the recipient's name. After you're done, you can go ahead and choose your gift delivery methods. You can either choose the digital method or a printed method. Let me go ahead and choose digital and select either by email option or by text option. You can also choose both. If you choose the email option, then your recipient will be able to receive the gift card via email. Similarly, you can also send it to them by the text option. To do so, make sure the by text option has been checked. If you've chosen the by text option, you'll need to type in the recipient's mobile number as well. Since I've selected by email option, let me go ahead and enter the recipient's email address. You can do the same as well if you've chosen this option. And once you are done with typing all the information's in, you can go ahead and select your e-greeting card. Choose a category from the drop-down and then click one of the card of your choice. If you want to give in a personal message to your recipient, type it into the text box. You can also add a video or an image into the text box if you want. Now, under schedule when to send your gift, you can choose the date when you want your recipient to receive your card. If you choose instant, you'll be able to make instant delivery to your contact. But if you want to set a preferred date, click on set date and choose the date when you want it to be delivered to your friends or contacts. You can also set the time you want to send the gift exactly on. Preview a gift by clicking on this preview a gift button. And it shows you how the gift will look like if you send it to your friends. They'll be able to receive it just like this. Finally, after you're ready to send the gift card to your friend, click on Add to Cart. And you can now review your order. If you have any promo code that you'd like to use, enter it right here and click on Apply Promo Code. But if you want to proceed to check out without entering the promo code, or if you don't have a promo code, you can simply click on Proceed to Checkout. Now, choose your payment method on the next page. You can choose any options from the display, verify your phone number, or follow the on-screen prompts. And that way, you'll be able to buy a gift card using Venmo quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.